What's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kias. In today's video, I will be doing my on Fleek eyebrow routine. So if you want to know how I create it or how I do it, just keep on watching. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, big yan. Big thumbs up, click the subscribe button and also the teeny tiny bell button beside the subscribe button so you will be notified every time I posted a new video. So thank you guys for watching, see you in my next video or see you around. Till next time, bye!